Reducing food waste in retail with SEEBURGER. Did you know? Nearly 30% of food is wasted globally, hurting both businesses and the planet. Retailers lose millions due to overstocking and poor forecasting. SEEBURGER BIS integrates real-time data to optimize supply chains. AI-powered demand forecasting predicts sales trends accurately. Dynamic pricing solutions adjust product prices automatically. Automated inventory management prevents stock losses. Smart integrations connect sales data, logistics, and suppliers. Food donation automation ensures surplus reaches those in need. Reduce retail food waste with a powerful cloud-based integration platform. Supermarkets, restaurants, and meal providers benefit from automated processes. The future of sustainable retail starts with smart data integration. Less waste, lower costs, more sustainability with SEEBURGER BIS. Contact us now using the link in the description.